They see me rolling.
They hating.
Something, something, something. Trying to catch me riding dirty.
We're riding our way to the conferences. Where are we? England?
Oh.
I'm driving.
Yeah, she driving.
Skirt.
Yeah, so why are we going to conferences, Breezy?
Well, we're not, but our parents are.
Yeah, that's true. So that's weird. Why are we going to conferences?
Well, I don't know. Because we have to. We just got to,
Yeah.
do something.
Yeah, we got to do something with our lives. So why do we go to conferences? Why do we go figure out when conferences are?
And where conferences are. Because they had to get changed because of snow makeup days.
Where do you think conferences would be?
Well, I mean, they might all be somewhere
You think they're going to have conferences at Dave & Buster's or something?
That'd be awesome.
That'd be pretty fun, actually.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, so administrators, make conferences at Dave & Buster's.
So let's go check out when and where and how conferences are going to go.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, I'm Jasmine Hillenbrand here with Mr. Smith talking about parent-teacher conferences. So, when are they?
Well, our spring parent-teacher conferences are going to be next Thursday, April 10th from 3:15 to 6:45, and then Friday, April 11th from 12:15 to 2:45.
And where will they be?
We hold all of our conferences in the cafeteria. We set the cafeteria up by discipline. So we have the math teachers together, the history teachers together, and parents can come in and talk to as many teachers as they like.
And why should parents come?
Well, I think just showing an interest, showing your children that you're interested in their education. I know sometimes in high school, after putting in 8, 9, or 10 years of parent conferences and open houses and PTA meetings, it's nice to just kind of check up, see who these people are that are teaching their children each and every day, and just be actively interested in what's going on here at the high school.
And how does this help them?
Well, this helps parents because they can get a detailed understanding of what these numbers and letters actually mean. Mm-hmm. I mean, we can look on home access and we can get an idea of what the averages are. We can get an idea of how they're doing on assessments, how they're doing with homework. But maybe you need to learn a little bit more as a parent, how they're acting in class, how they're participating. And again, it's just nice to sort of put a name with a face. I'm sure a lot of our students are going home and talking about something that happens during the school day. We have some incredible teachers here, and I think it would be great for parents to come in and meet some of them.
And how does this help the students?
Well, I think it helps the students because I think it brings the whole high school experience alive at home. You guys are here for about 7 hours a day, so a majority of your day, you're here in the building, interacting with each other, interacting with adults, and I think it's important for all of our parents to understand, sort of what you're doing here and how you're spending your time.
So, what happens when the parents actually arrive?
Well, we ask them to come through the front doors, mm-hmm. So they come and enter through the front doors, and then they, we usually have some informational tables set up in front of in the lobby, and we have schedules available. We may have report cards available, and then they make their way to the cafeteria. And like Ed said earlier, the cafeteria is set up by discipline. We give them a map, and they can sort of everyone has a nameplate in front of them, mm-hmm. And then they can sort of decide, do they want to talk to all 8 teachers, or maybe they just want to talk to 1 or 2 teachers.
And what if they have more than one child?
If they have more than one child, the way that we have it set up, parents can come in and spend an hour if they like. There's no limit on the number of teachers that they can speak to. They can come in and, like I said, if they have 2 children and they have 7 different teachers that they need to speak to, then they can speak to all 7 teachers.
And are students allowed to come also?
Sure, students are allowed. I mean, we don't discourage it, we don't encourage it, but sometimes, we think that's up to the parents. Maybe the parent would like to ask a question with their child there, just so everyone hears the same answer.
And when is this event again?
So it's next Thursday, mm-hmm. from 3:15 to 6:45, and next Friday, the 11th, from 12:15 to 2:45.
Thank you. I'm Jasmine Hillenbrand here with Mr. Smith. Now back to the Eagle's Eye.